park and I'm entering now. Oh my god, it's so peaceful. But my hair condition is like so bad. That's my feet. I feel so awkward filming like this alone. But let's go to the lake. So badly, guys, like at the back of this, like there are like 4 girls who are taking videos, and after seeing them I miss my friends. I used to be the one who always call them, let's take picture, let's do this, let's do that, but right now I'm here alone. That's adulting, guys. That's adulting. We are all in our, different worlds. It feels so weird. It feels so stupid to be roaming like this while filming myself. And it's okay. It's okay. Weather बहुत ही अच्छा है. For the past few days it has been like so kind. The weather has been so kind on me. Weather बहुत ही calm, ठंडा ऐसा है. So peacock. I don't know where I'm going. I'm just following the footpath, and yeah. I've walked a lot already. ये exercise है. मैं इतना gain हो चुकी हूँ. I've gained my weight so much that it's getting hard to reduce. Oh, I saw there. Huh? Oh, I'll show you guys. There are a lot that side. The building behind me, the monuments. What's that? Bagi Alam Ka Gumbad. It's so pretty, but then I don't want to enter alone because it looks so scary. मैं अकेला कभी नहीं जाऊंगी उस बिल्डिंग में. It's very pretty. लेकिन अंदर कोई भी नहीं है. I think it's scary. I don't want to go inside. This is so pretty. Looks like a burial place and it's kind of like scary. Oh, this is another tomb. Kali Gumti. It says the square tomb was built in a Lodi period. There are arch openings on the north, south and east ends with a mihrab on the west. The square chamber is roofed by a dome. Adjacent to the dome is a small mosque. Oh, this is another tomb. There were so many things going on in my mind that I had to come out alone for a walk. So yeah. ओपन जिम. अभी मैं रास्ता भटक गया हूँ. I'll follow this sign. I think the side is the right road. When things are, tangled up in your mind and you're so confused of what to do, I think you should take a walk alone and things will just come back. That's what I'm doing right now, but I feel like I think I'm lost. Or no, I think we're in the right track. एंट्रेंस पे वापस आ गया. I did a lot of walking. Now I'm tired. Yeah, finally! Exit आ गई. Yeah. I think I should sit here for a while. Finally getting to sit. I was walking the entire time and I think I'm really hungry as well. So pretty, it's so vintage. Came to check out some earrings. So pretty.
No, she does wear rings, but
I've got this done. मेरा दिन खराब चल रहा था, मेरा फूल ले लिया है, मेरा दिन अच्छा चल रही है अभी. I'm freaking hungry. I need to go eat food. My day was going so bad, guys, because the auto driver, the Uber driver, he literally scammed on me. It was like the place where I was supposed to go. It was like very near. I just had to walk for like 3 minutes, and then I was gonna reach my destination. But then it was not like that. He took me round and round, and then he took 65 for that, and then he told me to cancel the Uber, so I did cancel the Uber, and then he was like, pay me 80 rupees, I will take you to the place where you're supposed to go. Oh my god. And I was like, okay, TK, because I didn't know anything, so I was like, fine. And then he took me, and then I came back all around, and then he dropped me to the same exact place, like Deer Park City. I had to go like walk for 2 minutes or 3 minutes like that, and then the destination I wanted to go was just there, but then he took me like 65 rupees plus 80 rupees, and I got scammed, guys, and my day is so bad. So yeah, right now I'm here in South Terjang, and I bought myself some flowers. You gotta make yourself happy. Ta-da, bye guys.